This week, I talked to Julia Smith about the CloseUp Washington Leadership Program.
So what is the CloseUp Washington Leadership Program?
CloseUp High School Leadership Program is designed to give students an inside look on how the government works, and also provides them leadership skills and allows them 1 week in a group setting in Washington, D.C.
What was your most valuable takeaway from participating in it?
I think my most valuable takeaway from it was learning how to present different arguments to topics that the government goes over, such as the water crisis and other heavy topics such as that.
How can students be a part of it?
I was originally part of the Viz program, and the mentor there offered that to me, but you can also go to guidance, and there's a form that you can fill out, and you have to fill out this application, write some papers, write like one quick paper about why you should go and what do you think you will benefit out of the program. And then if you get if they select your application, then you will go through an interview process through one of the vision leaders and also your guidance counselor. And then after that, if you get accepted to that, then you're already there, and they'll just give you more information.
Why is building leadership skills essential as a high school student?
I believe building leadership skills helps you in the future. Like for students going into college, you're going to and wanting to get a job, you're going to have to know important communication skills and leadership skills. You need to know how to take action in certain situations, and you also need to know how to give a proper interview, because that is what employers and college refs are going to be looking at when interviewing you for certain positions.
So how has attending the CloseUp program impacted you?
It has impacted me because it has helped me build my communication skills and my group speaking skills, and it also has given me more information on and more development on how our government works. I wasn't really a big part of looking into how the government treats different situations and stuff, but this has given me a deeper look into how they argue about different situations to find the best answer.